too much, too soon. Yan yung dapat mong iwasan if you wanna build resistance to running and walking. So 6 months ago, hirap na hirap rin ako tumakbo. So what I did is I started small. Diba? Nagsimula lang ako ng 30 minutes, 15 minutes walking, and then gradually as I build my resistance, nag-progress na ako sa 1 hour to 1.5 hours of running without stopping. Yung pace, hindi naman mabilis, mga 7, minsan may mga days na 8, or may mga days din na sub 7. So, depende yun sa kondisyon ng katawan ko. Pero yun ang ginawa ko. Remember, if you wanna build resistance, you have to expose yourself constantly to the same stimulus para makabuild ka ng resistance. Consistency is king. Yun lang. Happy Monday!